Hello guys, hope you all might be doing well. So in this video we are going to learn about bubble sort algorithm. So let's first understand what is an algorithm. So an algorithm is a step-by-step procedure for solving a particular problem. And bubble sort algorithm is basically a sorting algorithm which is used to sort the elements of an array or a list with the and which is used to sort the elements of an array or a list. And why the word bubble is used here? Because in this algorithm the element with the largest value bubbles out at the position of last index. That element bubbles out, that's why this sorting is known as bubble sort. So let's consider a practical example of bubble sort to get a clear understanding of the concept. So here are four students of a class, and teacher wants to arrange them in a row so that the student with the smallest height comes at the first position and the student with the largest height comes at the last position. So here we can clearly see that they are not at all arranged in the right order. So how we will start arranging them? First of all, we will compare the student at the index 1 and 2. As you can clearly see, the height of student at the position 2 is smaller than the height of student at position 3. So we will swap the 2. So this is how the row looks like. Now we will compare the student at position second and third. So here we can clearly see the height of student at position third is larger than the height at the of the student at position second. So no swapping will be done in this case. Swapping means to to exchange the position of the two comparing elements. Okay, so now we will compare the student at position third and fourth, and here we can clearly see that the height of student at position 4 is smaller than the height of position student at position third. So we will swap their positions. Now pass 1 is completed. That means we have gone through each and every student of the row in the row once, and this is the result which we have got. Here we can clearly see that the student with larger height has bubbled out. That means bubbled out at the last position in the row. So this is how the bubble sort works in case of array. In case of array, if we consider the height as the values of the array, so the element with the largest value bubbles out at the position of last index. Like in this example, the student with largest height has bubbled out. But here we can clearly see that all the students are not arranged in the right order according to their height, and we again need to arrange them in the right order. So we will again start comparing the student at position first and second, then second and third, so as to get the right order. So this is how bubble sort works. Let's take an example considering an array to get more clear understanding of the concept. So example of sorting an array, bubble sort algorithm, that repeatedly sometimes referred to as a sinking sort, is a simple sorting steps through the list, compares adjacent elements. It compares adjacent elements. Just in the last case we compared adjacent students and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. So here we can see an array having elements 11, 17, 18, 26 and 23. So first of all we will start by comparing first two elements 11 and 17. Here we can clearly see that the student at the sorry so the element at the position 2, the element at the position 2 is greater than the element at the position 1, so no swapping will be done in this case. Now comparing the elements at second and third position, so here also 18 is larger than 17, so no swapping in this case. No swapping will be in this case. Now comparing the elements at the third and fourth position, we can clearly see 26 is larger than 18, so again no swapping in this case also. But at if we see the elements at fourth and fifth position, clearly 26 is larger than 23, so the element at 23, so these two elements will be swapped and 23 will come to position 4. So this is how bubble sort works. And after each and every pass, the element with largest value bubbles out at the end position of the index in an array. So let's go through the definition of bubble sort. Bubble sort is a sorting algorithm. So it is a sorting algorithm that works by repeatedly stepping through the list that need to be sorted, comparing each pair of adjacent terms. As in the above case, we compared the heights of adjacent students, or in the case of array, we compared the values of adjacent elements in the array and swapping them if they are in the wrong order. Like in the above order, we swapped the students or we swap the elements, so we will swap them if they are in the wrong order. This passing procedure is repeated until no swap is required. No swap required means they are arranged in the right order, indicating that the list is sorted. Bubble sort get its names because smaller elements bubble towards the top of the list. So smaller elements like the person, student with smaller height will come at the first position, or the number with least value will come at the first position, or vice versa. The student with the largest height bubbles out at the last position in the list. It is also known as sinking sort for more knowledge, descent from higher to the lower position. So algorithm for bubble sort. Here we can see, let's see the algorithm for bubble sort. So here A is an array having 10 elements, and n is the number of elements in the array. So 4k equal to 1 to n minus 1. So k is the number of passes over here. So the number of passes, if the elements are n, so the number of passes will be n minus 1. 4i 0 to n minus 2. Here n minus 2 is written because if we are considering the index position, so the number will be lesser than 1. So if ai is greater than ai plus 1, like we compare these two elements, if we compare these two elements, like at the position 6 and 7, let's consider it to be a6 is greater than a6 plus 1, then we will be swapping these two elements, and this is how the bubble sort algorithm will work. So in this module we learned about bubble sort, and thanks for watching. So here A will not come, so please correct this. So this is the algorithm for bubble sort. Thank you.